Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Joanne Manzano, 38 years old, married from Difun, Quirino, Philippines. I have two kids ages 16 years old and 9 years old. I am a college undergraduate. I have no brother, but I have two sisters. I am the second in the family. My hobbies are playing sports, gardening, and reading books. I am patient, trustworthy, honest, and cheerful person. I work as a domestic helper in Dubai for 2 years. I serve for members of the family. My main duties are cleaning the house, marketing, ironing, washing clothes, and taking care of the two kids. My second work experience was in Hong Kong for 1 year and 1 month. I served 3 members of the family. My main duties are cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, taking care of the baby, and cooking a simple Chinese food like noodles, pasta, soup, stir-fry vegetable, steamed fish, and pork. I will promise I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I assure you that I will treat your family as my own. I am willing to renew my contract as long as you need my service. Good day and thank you.